In a small village lived a girl. She has bright eyes and curious hands. She loves to fix things, toys, baskets, and even doors. Every morning, after the birds finished singing, she would run to her papa. One day, Papa cooked lunch. The girl washed her hands and waited. Soon it was time to eat. She sat beside Papa and they shared their food happily. Her tummy felt full. Her heart felt full too. Like, share and subscribe if you like this video.